Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do this worksheet on adjectives. So what are adjectives? As we all know, adjectives are those words which tell us about a noun. So they describe a noun. So whatever the noun is, if we use an adjective with the noun, it emphasizes that noun. So the objective here is to relate that adjectives qualify nouns, that adjective add to the meaning of a noun. So now we are doing the first part, add a suitable adjective to the given noun. So here we have, they have given us the nouns and we have to add a suitable adjective to them. So the first one is a dash pillow. So what quality do you think we can assume that a pillow has? That word we have to put in the blank. So here I am putting the word soft, a soft pillow. There can be many words we can use. The answers may vary for this worksheet. Like for lecture we can use the word boring as well as interesting. But here since it's the article a is used, so we have to put the word boring. We cannot put interesting because it begins with an I. Then next is a dash book. So here what do you think a book can be? It can be a good book. Then next we have a dash lane. A dash lane. So generally how a lane is described as a narrow lane. Then we have a dash elephant. So here I am putting big, a big elephant. So these are the adjectives for the given nouns. Now moving to the next part, the B part. Now add suitable nouns to the following adjectives. So they have given us the adjectives and we have to add a suitable noun. So again here we can use so many answers for this. Answers may vary. And here we have a kind dash. So I am putting the word ruler, a kind ruler or king. Then we have a sharp dash. So you can use the word knife here, a sharp knife. Then a clean dash. So many words we can put here. I am going to use the word room, a clean room. A wise dash. Again here we can put so many different nouns. I am going to put a wise king. And last, a heavy dash. So it can be a heavy so many things. I am putting the word box, a heavy box. Okay, so this was the worksheet for today. My advice for today is that whenever you are writing an essay, letter, story, paragraph, anything, use as many adjectives as possible to emphasize whatever you have written. And that's all for today. Do like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.